Hey everyone, welcome back to our virtual showroom. 2020 Hyundai Kona preferred all-wheel drive, finished in lake silver, my favorite color for Kona. We are slowly coming to the end of our 2020s with these low kilometers. So again, if you see this and you like it, make sure you contact us. Call, text, or email, stop in. We are working by appointment and we are open to the public, taking all precautions. So make sure you bring your mask. Again, Kona preferred all-wheel drive. So you have the nice, I'm walking around, I'm talking, I'm not pointing out things. Nice preferred alloy wheels. You got turn indicators on your rear view mirrors. In case you didn't believe me, there it is, all-wheel drive. Don't be fooled by others. It is a preferred all-wheel drive Kona. You got the fog lights down the bottom there. You got a nice Kona grill. A little ventilation, and it's obviously just for show, but a little trim piece there makes it kind of a little bit sportier. You got a nice hood. Everything's in nice shape. You got the side rails. You could always add cross rails if you wanted to. So again, nice vehicle. We sell a ton of Kona. It's been so popular since it came out in 2018. You've got split folding rear seats, 60/40. You've also got anchors on all the seats. So again, if you have child seats, this vehicle can definitely accommodate. This privacy cover can remove. These seats can fold down, so if you have a little project at home, you definitely can get more space. Just make sure you take out your kids' seats and your kids before you do that. We don't want to hurt anybody. Just for fun. I'm just trying to enlighten and have some fun while I do these videos, because it is hot today. Okay, nice cloth seats. Carpet's all in nice shape. Nate does a heck of a job when he cleans them up for us. Cup holders there. Fold those up, room for 5. You got power windows on the rear. Push button start, proximity key, so just lock, unlock. Keep the keys in your pocket, in your purse, in your school bag, anywhere like that, as long as they're near you. If the car feels it, you don't have to go fondling for them. So great feature to have, especially when it's really cold outside, which we don't want to talk about. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, locking rear windows as well. Great feature to keep the kids safe. You have an adjustable driver's seat. You can raise it up, down. You can move the back support front to back, and you also have a lever underneath the seat that can pull the seat forward to back. The steering wheel is also tilt and telescopic, so you can bring it up, down, towards you, and away from you. What else do you get? You got interior illumination you can adjust. You have lane departure warning or blind spot detection. You have traction control that you can shut off. Push button start. Always a great feature. You got all your volume controls, voice recognition, and radio controls on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. On the right-hand side of this leather-wrapped steering wheel, you got your cruise controls here. You also have the ability to toggle through some of the settings and personalize this Kona to your specs. So some cool stuff there. You've got heated steering wheel, heated seats. I'm not going to turn them on for long or I will roast. You've got drive modes, so you can drive it in eco, normal, or sport mode. Again, all personal preference. We encourage everyone to try it out, see which one works best for you. You have 4-wheel drive lock as well. So in those cold, snowy days at low speeds, you can lock that 4-wheel drive, and you have downhill brake assist. You have all your auxiliaries and plugins down here. Air conditioning, rear defrost, so again, easy to set up. You have your hazards here if you ever need them. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so if you don't know what that is, plug your Apple phone in, plug your Android phone in, have access to navigation, real-time traffic reports, music, phone, apps, videos. I mean, if you're in park, you watch a video on this screen. So again, lots of cool things, and again, good size backup camera. So again, lots of standard features. Kona, less than 10,000 kilometers. Great buy. As always, you can call, text, or email us if you have any questions. Shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, very important. We're always giving away tons of fun stuff, so whether you're in the market or not, follow us on Facebook. We look forward to seeing you soon for your new or pre-owned vehicle purchase.